All right, welcome back again. Welcome back to my channel. I have to react on this post because something very, very, very important is going on. We know what happened when Lolo Chimeze came up with this notion that President Kanu will rot in Sokoto if he continue to allow people to use his name and make money and all that. The allegation, I don't want to go back there because I've talked about it so many times, and we have also run a live broadcast on that as well. But at this point in time, we need to understand that DOS have made up their choice, have made up their mind. Judging by what they're saying now and what we already know before, you can tell that most of the things they did in the past, it is deliberate. And the turnout of event, the way Biafran movement is echoed in different direction now. It is now in war stage. They themselves, of course, are following the news, but they are not involved in the outcome. They cannot lay hand on anything and say, okay, this is what we are doing. This is the effort. They are not coming back to lick the vomit. The same people that sent PM to prison, reporting him and filing case file and everything, they are the one now trying to tell us that they have changed the strategy. They are now moving to I don't know what they mean by that, but we are gonna see it anyway. That they want to change strategy, that we're gonna report this and report. I don't know how they're gonna do it, but I will tell you my mind. I think why they say that is because they want their name to be heard, judging for the fact that people are doing something. And anybody talking about the different movement today, whether you're from CRC, you are Ogenkere, you are from USB, it's all glory to God, of course, powered by Samuel Biafran Prime Minister. Yes. So if you are not member of autopilot, okay, you are not involved in anything. Then some of the US members that are maybe a little bit smart have moved away and returned to the structure structure that PM laid, supported by Mazi Nnamudi. Of course, DOS who are helping in remaining silent and going underground. These are the class of people who refuse to allow Mazi Nnamudi to execute his plan. They are the one pushing the narrative that IPB should be converted to a political party and turn it, of course, to pressure group. But they have seen that Biafra have moved forward, and international committee are not paying attention. They want their name to be mentioned. They want to get involved as well. But it is way too late. They are ready now to drag result with people who have done marvelously well. I don't want to link this video to Ogenkere, Asai Ayog, and their group. I want to be real. I want to be focused. I want to be very, very focused on this one. I want to be real to you in reacting on this particular news that you're about to see. But before we go in detail, please, I want you to make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you think about all we're about to discuss, because it's getting crazy. Now, here is a post made by a Mega Gift. This post here will tell you all you need to know about the plan and the strategy of DOS and their group. Now, what is it all about? Let me expand it so that you yourself can see it from your own angle. All right? I think it's better this way. Let's just jump on it this way. This is what Emeka Gibbs posted. He said, yesterday I had a conversation with one of the DOS members regarding to the current brouhaha within. They always have brouhaha. He told me that Directorate of State DOS has shifted its approach and no longer center the Biafra agitation around Mazi Nnamudi Kanu personally, or limit it to the Nigerian region alone. Instead, he explained that they are now determined to fully reintegrate the Biafran cause into mainstream global politics, presenting it as a legitimate and international issue deserving of worldwide attention and engagement. They want, because they always want to meet the media, but we're going to see how this one will work. This thing they said here, they forgot that you have to present something. There are steps that you need to take before people cannot recognize you, or before people cannot even pay attention about what you think you are going to do. None of them know what it takes. When PM mentioned this, they said that he's work brother. He's just one room agitator. Right, no template, no focus, not even determining. They're not even determined. After 5 years of kidnapping of Mazi, it is now that they are coming. They are telling that they have determined to integrate the Biafran cause into mainstream media, global politics, and presenting it as a legitimate international issue deserving of worldwide attention and engagement. What have you been doing? All this right. What have you guys been doing? Because you guys do nothing, absolutely nothing. Those who were doing something or who are doing something, you invested your time and your energy to imprison them, to put them in prison. You use your time and your money just for imprisonment of those that are actually doing something, and you want to now copy part of it and trying to be relevant. That is why, honestly, God works in a mysterious way. That's why you have to appreciate CS. Let's assume, let me be real. If she have refused to declare Biafra and probably not do what, maybe let's say she did not do what she have done by releasing those documents and confirming it that nobody will have to interfere. They would have started copying all those things to claim that they're involved. Ask them, when you go to this global media stage you are talking about, mainstream media, are you going to tell them you have declared Biafra? Or are you going to tell them that you have conducted self-referendum? What are you guys going to say? The same people that are approaching have already seen the document and everything. They have access to it. They are talking about it. So you coming in and you are coming in with what? You have to. You are going to show them picture and where you carry flag in streets of Europe. What exactly are the US going to present? Had the COS not registered those things? Has she not done what she have done? What would have been your fate? Now listen, he emphasized that the DOS remain highly focused on this new strategy direction and is committed to avoid any further distraction that could derail their progress. Liars. All this is just to see a way to qualify. My question, even though Ginkere is struggling to present any tangible thing, is it you that's not even in the picture? You don't even know what Montevideo Convention is all about. Nothing, they don't know anything about it. Where will you start? According to him, this renewed clarity and discipline will ensure the movement stays on course towards achieving its broader objectives, which is not mentioned here. What objective are you talking about? When people are already talking about the competition and like you don't have, you guys are still waiting for Matakan to give you a map. Why trying to dismiss me for scheduled meeting? He said we should get ready this 26 that Biafran sovereignty will be a major global discourse. What do you think? They want to copy people's effort. That's all. They want to copy people's effort. In fact, let us see the comment from people. Of course, not the call there. Let's hear. You cannot be making this controversial statement why Mazi is suffering in prison. You can integrate IPOB into global mainstream media without even telling us or releasing a statement that degrade the sacrifice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to this struggle. That's another thing, because just like what Master Prophet said, that they are no longer with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is true. And the imagining people with this kind of mindset is what Lolo Chimeze is coming out to tell you, that Mazi Kanu tell them that they should do everything to give them, people should do everything not to talk about them. Do you understand? Now, Saint John Paul said that is the best way to go. The issue of Kanu and his good for nothing brothers has distracted us enough. Kanu trusted IPOB DOS and should not interfere in their management. They are doing perfectly fine. I had thought about it last week, not knowing the US is already there. Kudos. The hatred of Mazi is now coming out to play. I wish that PM is here. Friday, Anthony said, I think the US should hold tight their strategy and never reveal their ways to those vampires that love to reap where they did not sow. The main war never come. Just wait, let their work manifest. The US should brace up for multiple battle against invaders to destroy the Biafran government. Biafran government, do you have a government? Destroy Biafran government. Confusion to go everywhere. Do they have a government? Is there a government? Is a movement? Since when they started talking about government? DOS should brace up for multiple battle against invaders to destroy the Afghan government. Hey, I don't care about it. Anyway, let's continue. I think the US has factions. This particular faction don't recognize our leader, MLK, as a supreme leader, exactly. They want to do their thing, no problem. After MLK said you are free to do anything for Biafra to come. But you that name US is a franchise of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, get your name. Mm-hmm. So all of them, both the factions or what no faction, they are all in the same group. The same guy that's talking about that reminding them that Mazi Kanu said you should do anything to get Biafra. They are the one doing all they can. He's part of those who actually hate PM for what he believes in and what he has done. You see the contradictory part of this, because they always claim to know everything when they know nothing. Always claim to be what they are not. Crypto Driver said, Croc, with this amazing strategy and amazing idea by the US, what is your prediction on the results this will yield? What is the impact on achieve the state of Biafra? And he asked Croc, and what Croc said. The Croc answer you. He said, shifting Biafran agitation to global political could raise international awareness and the pressure on Nigeria, potentially gaining diplomatic support from human rights group or sympathetic nation. However, based on recent development like Nnamdi Kanu's 2025 life sentence and Nigerian firm opposition, full sovereignty remain uncertain and may face repression or delays. Outcomes depend on global events in 2026. Because Croc just give you this one based on normal, but did you take Croc that you were fighting other agitators, that you imprison, that you support the imprisonment of your brother that actually agitating? Did you take Croc that you never believe in anything that other people do apart from you going on the ground? Did you take Croc that you once told your people that you are now working with the Anambra governor? Did you take Croc that you went on the ground and believe in political solution? Since when did you guys drop political solution? what was the reason why you dropped political solution? What did you see that make you to drop political solution? You guys cannot answer those questions, can you? You can't, because that is exactly what you do. Then sometimes I prefer to listen, watch and see, because you guys are tired of sabotaging. And in other words, they have abandoned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Of course, leaving you talking, have abandoned him as well. Very interesting, and we must continue. So Mazi Kanu has all the time to make that publication, but he did not make things more. But he did not make things more complicated. The hatred from DOS is second to none. That's why I said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family, if you guys can do us a favor, just forget about DOS. You have nobody there. Nobody. You have nobody there. All you need to do is to focus on Biafrans, and contact Biafran government, USB government. It will go a long way to solidify Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a leader, as somebody who invested his time, risked his life, his money, and everything for Biafran movement to get where it is today. That is what I can say about it, because all these people, they can see the hatred and the venom coming out from their mouth. And all these things they are said now is just because they have seen that Biafran government, University of Biafra, are not smiling, and everything is now playing out. In fact, the discussion about disintegration is not because of you people carrying flag in Europe. It never come from you. So you guys are not seeing. You want to talk about global media and all these things. What are you going to tell them in the media? That you fought in 1967, and what? Then what? They will not ask you. You guys declared Biafra in Finland. What would be your opinion? Because you see, you guys, maybe they think they can sabotage by using these tactics. Anyway, our own is to report it when you see one. Please let me know what you think about it. What is your opinion on this? God bless you, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. We cannot, thank you enough. So try your best to be part of the family. All right, we can see we are growing this one gradually, because we want to make sure that we have this two-way to pass message, to pass information to you. So we are not going to lack. We keep on bringing the update to you. Do all you can to support us, and like the video, share it, and put your comment. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you, and take care of it.